Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel, European Fashion Hairstyles. I hope you are fine and doing good. First of all, I would like to tell you that in my videos, I'll show you trendy haircuts and hair dye ideas all over the world, which make you look more presentable. If you want to see the latest haircuts and hair colors, friends, then watch my video till the end. And do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. You will be notified by my new video. In this video, I am going to tell you what is a medium layered haircut. Medium layered haircuts are shoulder length haircuts that have the top layers cut shorter than the bottom and give the illusion of volume and length. It is a fabulous way to spice up your shoulder length hair as with some good layers. The next thing is, are layers good for medium hair or not? Yes, layers are a great choice for medium length hair because they can add volume, depth and texture, giving you a variety without sacrificing the length. Does layered hair look good straightened? Yes, layers add a lot of life, movement and youthfulness to your hair, so they are equally great for straight hair. Layers give an illusion of volume and texture to hair. That's why they are still preferred by a lot of us. The next one is, are layers in style or fashion? Heavily layered cuts inspired by the Rachel, Jennifer Aniston's renowned cut from Friends is another 90s trend experiencing a second wave in 2022. Guys, watch my video till the end so that you do not miss any haircut and hair dye ideas. And if you want to get this haircut, take a screenshot of a haircut or hair color which you want. By saving the picture, you can easily get this hair color or hair dye from any parlor. After watching the video, you must throw a comment in the comment section that you like my video, my channel, and suggest to me some good ideas for haircuts and hair colors which you want. Guys, if you like my videos, share my videos on your social media accounts, share it with your friends so that they can visit my YouTube channel and watch the amazing videos and get amazing ideas. Guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. You will be notified by my new videos and share them with your friends. That's all in this video. See you guys in the next